So let's say any website is blocked or you just want to hide your online activities by your browsing the internet. Well, in such matters you can and you must use a VPN service. About VPN services, we all hyped on that a paid VPN is secure than using a free VPN. But having said that, a free VPN can be used in so many scenarios. You just want to bypass the limitations or you don't want to use so much of data every day. In such cases, here are the top 5 VPN apps that you can use on your Android which are free as well as secured. Well, my name is Ashish, you are watching Gadget RD and let's talk about top 5 apps right now. Okay, so the first app in the list is Proton VPN, which although is the best paid VPN out there, also happens to offer for free. Now you still needs to create account to use this particular VPN app. The limitation is that gets to use a single device per email account. However, you do not get any limitations in terms of data or capping on the amount of data. The main reason why Proton VPN gets to be on the top, that's because of its security. Yeah, its paid version gets more secure features, but you still gets 256 bits encryption and DNS leak prevention, which is great for free versions. Now the next one is TunnelBear, and it's a name that I am sure that most of you would have heard about. Unlike Proton VPN, you only get 500 MB of data per month. That said, a simple tweet to the company, even prompted, gives you additional GB of data per month. TunnelBear also gives you access to 24 different servers. Now this particular app gives you a feature called Ghost Bear. It basically hides the fact that you are using VPN from your ISP or your government. Now just note that Ghost Bear is super slow in speed, so only use it when it is necessary. Now another one for the best VPN app for Android is got to be Hotspot Shield. It's a good service, but you get a lot of limitations here on the free version. And the biggest one is being the location is restricted to the US servers only. You just get 750 MB of data. However, the 750 MB data is per day, not per month. Also, under free plan, you are get to enjoy military level based encryption system. Add to the fact that you can use or connect 5 devices, which is great. So your VPN restriction is limited around 750 MB data per day and you don't mind using US servers all the time, then this can be free VPN that you can use. The next VPN that we have got for you is Betternet, which has this cute and neat interface and it's super easy to use. Now you can think Betternet as simplified version of Hotspot Shield and it actually makes sense. While developer of the both app are the same. The idea here is to offer simple interface with simple on-off toggle and option to choose from among the available destination servers. The advantage here that you have unlimited data that you can use even for a free version. But then there is a simple downside that it does not need the security encryption protocol you get on the Hotspot Shield. Basically, if you want a VPN limitless, this is a go-to choice for you. And finally, the last app on the list is Hide.me. It has been around long time now, but still is one of the best free VPN out there, you asked me. It's probably one of the most secure VPN as well and encrypting your data protocols like iKey V2 and other OpenVPN. But you only get 2 GBs per month for a free version and only way to add to it's via referrals. Now Hide.me does not offer ads even in the free version, and one of the basics like one of the highlighted feature for a free version is split tunneling. Now what it does, it allows you to create VPN for some apps and services and others can use the internet without the VPN restrictions. Okay guys, those were the top 5 free and secure VPN services that you can use on your Android. There is a request, please do not share any of your personal data while connected to a VPN. Download links for the VPN apps are in the description. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.